Hello, and thank you for choosing a RepairPricer preferred inspection partner today. I'm going to walk you through the process of placing your free RepairPricer Max order. You'll receive an email from support@repairpricer.com that provides you with a link to place this order. Once you've received the email from support, click the link to be taken to the order page. As you can see, I have the email from support, and I'm clicking the link now, and it directs me to this first page here, which allows you to choose the type of report that you would like us to get back to you. You can do a pick and choose report, meaning you save time and let our pricing team know about specific repairs or major systems that you or your clients are concerned about, and you can write those down here in the special instructions box. The summary report focuses on the important items your inspector has highlighted in their summary. Typically, these would be major repairs that are more likely to be negotiated on during the inspection process. This is the most common choice. The full report is an option that we allow that provides a full and detailed summary of every single item in the inspection report. This includes any future replacement costs that may come up, such as roofing, HVAC, anything like that. Once you click continue, you'll be taken to the add-ons page. These add-ons are optional, however, some agents find these helpful. The rush upgrade allows you to upgrade to get your report faster in 6 hours or less. The home hazard report is an option that you can upgrade to provide information on the fire and insurance claim history, flood zone determination, permit info, sales history, and much more. You do not have to choose either of these add-ons. They are optional. You can just ignore them and click Save to continue. And then whenever you click to continue, it will be taken to your final page where it will show your zero total, and you can click Complete Order, and it will take you to a confirmation order page. If you have any questions, please reach out to our team and let us know.